Welcome back to the channel, my people. A place where I talk to a camera about sneakers, about colorways, about everything, and you sit there and watch. Let's get straight into it. So we've got a pair of ASICS, as you can tell by the title, as you can tell by this ASICS box. Some people call it ASICS, some people call it ASICS. I say both. I can't choose which one it is. It's not cut and dry like Nike. This is a bit different. So on the box, it says Gel Kayano 20. I believe that's the style code 1203A388-003. Colorway on this is black/clay grey. Size UK 10. You can read all the rest of the sizes, just pause it here, and they are made in Vietnam. I'll be honest, they're mostly black. I'm not going to call them triple black, so it's just black and grey, black and silver, whatever you want to say. Look at that. Clean. But yeah, I'll go through the colours and then I'll tell you what I think or how I feel about this sneaker, trainer, whatever you want to call them. The bottom, standard sole that belongs to the Gel Kayano 20. Well, if you want to Google them, just write ASICS 20 and it will come up. I'll be honest. That's just what I write. ASICS 20. ASICS 20. That's it. Bit easy. But yeah, standard sole, all black. And then we've got the middle bit. It's just a bit of plastic. My belly is rumbling, by the way. I don't know why. So if the camera picks that up, or if the mic picks that up, that's quite embarrassing. So if you do hear a few brr, brr, ignore me. Don't, just ignore that. Just listen to the expert sneaker review. But yeah, the upper, as you can see, the whole thing is mesh. Literally the whole thing is mesh. However, it does have these kind of like plastic overlays on top. So we've got from the back, from the heel, then we've got this ASICS logo hashtag. I actually did some research because I used to just call it the ASICS swoosh, like to be funny. It's actually called, or it's actually like the tiger stripes. To be honest, for me, it's the ASICS hashtag, or just ASICS logo, to be honest. And then we've got some more plastic overlays on top of the mesh right there, in this kind of like see-through-ish type of color. It's a bit odd. I don't know if it's see-through completely. It's just like, it's kind of weird. Then at the front, we've got fluid fit, and then we've got that mesh toe box, of course. And then it says 20th anniversary for Gel Kayano. It's got some information there. And then on the inside, it's a bit different with the ASICS like hashtag, the ASICS swoosh. It's a bit smaller than it is on the other side. I'm not sure I like that as much. I'd prefer it to be just one big across. However, that's how they made it. I still love the shoe. Let's go straight on to the tongue. The tongue is obviously mesh, like the whole upper, like these are completely mesh. The whole shoe's mesh. And then it's got the 20 because they are the ASICS or ASICS 20. And then we've got a ASICS logo on the tongue. On the inside, I really like that. Massive 20, and then it says Gel Kayano 20. And then, yeah, on the back, it's one of them ones where it's not just like one little design separate. It's just all with the heel, and it just says Gel. And obviously, if you want to look at the inside size tag, you could have a look right there. But yeah, I really do like this shoe. And I'll be honest, this won't be my only pair. And I say that because I've ordered another colorway, which you'll see shortly. However, yeah, am I kind of addicted to ASICS right now? Yes, I am. Because I think, you know, comfort vibes. I've got back pain, knee pain, ankle pain. Might as well just wear these comfy sneakers, trainers, whatever you want to call them. Which I absolutely love. I think they go well with a lot of clothing, especially the way I dress as well. It's just tracksuits or shorts and a hoodie. These go perfect on the bottom. The reason I bought this colorway black is because I needed something which isn't white. Reason being is because I always find myself recently sticking my sneakers in the wash or giving them a scrub, whatever, and I'm kind of tired of it. I'm kind of bored of it, sick of it. I don't want to keep on doing it, so I bought this pair, which I know will stay clean because, you know, if I can get this colorway dirty, we need to have an intervention for me, people. But yeah, really like this shoe. They look good on foot. If you want to see what the on foot looks like, just wait a few moments and you'll see it. Or you can skip forward, which I don't really recommend. But yeah, you can skip forward, but don't. Just carry on hearing me waffle. And yeah, so there'll be an on foot in a few moments. There'll be on foot posted separately. I love this shoe. Colorway, banging. I have to kind of get used to the silver. I'm a bit weird. If there was a triple black colorway, I think it would look nicer. But yeah, that's all I got to say on this pair. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you share, subscribe, check out all the other content, check out the on foot that's gonna come separately. Oh yeah, one more thing before I go. Laces, these will get a lace swap and that will have a separate video. It won't be anything too fancy, but please just watch the video and you'll see the look of this shoe become enhanced. But yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe, check out all the other videos. Hype as well, people. No one's hyping the videos. I need some hypes. And take care.